Today I want to talk about GoDaddy's bulk appraisal tool that comes free with your membership of Domain Discount Club through domainacademy.com. So I am going to first have to get a list to use the bulk appraisal tool. So I'm starting at Dennis's domainsmoke.com, and I'm looking at his list of names for today, and I'm going to take these names and I am going to throw them into first the data manipulation tool, which is going to clean out just the domain names. So any extra comments that are in here get removed, and now we have just a clean list of domains. And I'm going to take that, copy that result into our GoDaddy Go Value bulk tool, which is over here. And I'm going to do 123 of these names. I'm going to validate, appraise, and then we're going to see the results come back. So now we've got a clean list of names that are valued. You can do up to 150 a day. And the format that it comes back in is very helpful. It's more than just a number. This was what you would see on the typical website on GoDaddy. You'd see the Go Value number come back, but we have what we think it would sell for at wholesale, which would be expired auctions. And we put what we think the average person would probably list this domain name for. And then we have 3 different points where we guess the probability. And again, this is an automated system, so take everything with a grain of salt. But it does help provide a little bit of qualitative data around what we think it would sell for. So we've got this higher for your crane. We think it would have a 0% chance of selling, and it happens to have a lot of bids. We have to look at maybe the SEO for that. But you can compare those names together so you can kind of get a qualitative and quantitative view using our bulk appraisal.